Subjective pronouns. Subjective pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence. They usually appear before verbs. They include I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. Examples. Number 1. I am going to the store. In this example, I is to be used because it is coming before the verb phrase I'm going. We cannot say me I'm going to the store. Number 2. We are learning about pronouns. In this example, we is to be used because it is coming before the verb phrase are learning. We cannot say us are learning about pronouns. Whenever we have pronouns to come before verbs, we make use of subjective pronouns. Objective pronouns are used as the object of a verb or a preposition. They usually appear after the verb. They include me, us, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Examples. The dog chased them. In this example, them is to be used because it is coming after the verb chased. We cannot use they, so it would be wrong to say the dog chased they. Number 2. The fans saw him on the television. Here we are to use him because it's coming after the verb saw. We cannot say the fans saw he on the television. Whenever you have a pronoun coming after a verb, we will make use of the objective pronouns.